Hey guys, Mr.III here, and this is how it feels to be a giant in a small space. So today's adventure, we're going to be actually changing this fan in the bathroom. I already pulled off the cover, but underneath you actually just have one of these. So I'm glad that you can join me, and don't forget to like and subscribe. So this is my first time actually changing one of these bathroom fans, or exhaust fans, whatever you want to call them. Got this one at Home Depot. It's a Brown brand. And the reason that this one went bad was probably due to a faulty motor. That's my assumption. Because I'm going to tell you guys how to quickly check that your power source still works by an easy method if you do not have like a special tool that, most electricians may have. So, up on the top, there is a plug that you do plug in the fan. Let's see, zoom in there. And it's right there. Don't worry, it's not on right now. But when you do change the fan, don't forget to turn off the fuse, or if you want to be risky, turn off the switch only. And that's the way how I'm going to play, but proceed at your own risk. So what you're going to do is get yourself a cell phone charger or something that has a little USB or something on the back like that. They can easily just plug and check. So I'm using these Vaunt fairy lights that I have. Easy little thing. Plug it in. Just gonna put this off to the side there. Gonna turn off my lights so you guys can see when I turn on the switch that they do turn on. I tested it out myself. And a flick of the switch. There they are. Working good. So now we can move on to the next step of pulling out the fan. Alright, so it's time to unscrew just the one screw that they have. So get yourself a Phillips head. I got myself a extremely large one here. And zoom in. Unscrew that, which is surprising. Only one is actually holding this whole thing, really. And the dimensions of the box is roughly 7 to 8 inches. So it's not a perfect square, even though it does look like it. Oopsie. And then there are two tabs on my bathroom which are pointing right here to this side. So what you're going to do is grab the opposite side and pull down. Nice and slow so you don't destroy your whole ceiling. There we go. Ooh. Wow, that's I thought I dusted this earlier, but you can see that this is pretty caked on there. Still uses a plastic just like the replacement. And I'm gonna go clean up that duct before I proceed. So you guys can do the same, hopefully. Geez, this autofocus is going slow today. I don't know what's going on. I'll be right back. Alright, so cleaning's done. Let's install the new one. So again, remember, looking at this, the tabs go on the side where the two slots are, and the power source will go right there, the outlet. So just slide it in place. First getting the tabs. And remember, it's going to be a tight fit, so you may have to do a little wiggling. Alright, so after you twist it a few times and got the tabs in, so what I found out was try to get this side in, even though this side's already mostly in. But then you can work your way, slowly pushing the tabs in, and then you can actually push the whole unit just like that. Oh, there we go. I gotta say, that's probably the most difficult part right there. Removing it was much easier, but wedging it in there, I think I'm breaking a sweat with all the heat from the lamps here. Then we're gonna actually put our screw back in. Make sure it stays in place. Lock it down. There we go. Plug in the fan. Test it out now. It's alive! Alright, gonna put the finishing touch. These guys back in. And there you have it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And it shows you that if your fan does die in your bathroom, that you can actually fix it and accomplish it by yourself. So you don't have to worry about hiring someone to actually just do that quick change or fix. So, like, subscribe. I'm gonna get off this ladder. Thanks for watching, everyone. Mr.III out.